Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Into this tutorial today we are going to be solving this particular problem on this board. So now the question said is to solve for the value of x. So before the commencement of today's tutorial, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. Now let's get started and solve this problem. So now the problem said root x plus 2x equals to 1, then we should solve for what? We should solve for x. Now if we want to do that, the first thing we need to do here is that we try to send this to the right hand side. Okay, then we are going to have this root x equals to 1 minus what? 2x. So now from here, the next thing we are going to do is to square the both sides, or you square root the both sides. You square the both sides so that it will take, so that we have root x to power 2 equals to 1 minus 2x to power 2. Now from here you can see that this square is going to cancel the square root. We are going to be having x equals to 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x because of this square here. Are you getting it now? So from there, we are going to be having x equals to, now we try to open this bracket, 1 times 1, there we have 1, 1 times this we have minus 2x, minus 2x times 1 we have minus 2x, minus 2x times minus 2x we have plus 4x squared. So now we go further. So we are going to be having x equals to 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Then we try to rewrite this equation in this form. We have 4x squared minus 4x minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Then we have it to be 4x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So now this leads us to quadratic equation in terms of x. So now we are going to use what? Factorization method to get this. So now if I say 4x times 1x is going to give me this. And now if I said 1 times 1 is going to give me what? It's going to give me this. Therefore, let me try using this magic cross method. 1x times x, I'm going to having what? 1x here, which is the same thing as x. And here also, I'm going to be having 4x times 1. That is going to be 4x. So now I'm looking for, a value here that will give us this middle what? This middle term, which is minus 5x. So what can I do? What I'm going to do is that if I put minus here and I put minus here, I'm going to have my result to be minus 5x. So which is the same thing I have at the middle. Definitely I'm going to have minus here. I put minus here. So now I'm going to have this factored in this form, 4x minus 1 and x minus 1 equals to 0. So now from here, when you have this, you can see that we can have 4x minus 1 to be equal to 0, or x minus 1 to be equal to 0. So now, lastly, we are going to be having 4x equals to 1 if 1 goes to the other side, or s equals to 1 if 1 goes to the other side too. So now from here we divide through by 4. Okay, so finally we are going to be having x equals to 1 over 4, or what? Or 1. So that is the solution, the two possible values of x for the equation given. If you find this class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. And do not hesitate to share this to your learning colleagues so that they can also benefit from it. Bye.